Welcome YouTube, it's your boy Suji back with another video. Today I'm gonna talk about how I grown this account from $6 to $600 trading forex. So this video is gonna be more of sharing you tips and important skills that you need to have for you to grow a small account to a bigger account. For those already complaints that I don't have a capital, I don't have capital, how can I trade without big capital? It doesn't matter. So this video is for you if you're already in that situation whereby you don't have big capital. For you to grow up to smaller capital to a bigger capital, this is the video for you. So follow from the step 1 up to step last for you to learn more about it. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now for the future important videos or important tips I'll be sharing for you to learn more about how I trade and how you can make money by. So the first thing you need to do, first of all, you need to find a clear setup which will give you a higher risk to reward, and then consider to enter in the market with at least 3 trades. You start with 3 positions, at least 3 positions for you to accumulate some profits, for you to consider to take more trades afterwards. At least you need to at least take 3 or 2 trades depending on your account size, and then let them land. You can see that I have already opened 3 trades. 3 trades you can see, and they're already lining. And then from there, you need to also make sure it's a real account, as this is my real account I'm using. I opened an account with Deriv. So now my trade, let me see right now, boom. Right now it's at 11 per trade. Like I have let it run for it to reach to the level where it's now at 11. Every single trade I took, like I took 3 trades, they are now at $34, $11 per trade. Now I'm adding more trades, more free trades to mean I have already, like I'm using the profits I have already made from the first 3 trades, and now I'm opening other trades using the profits I made from the first 3 trades. You get my point? So now I'm opening using the profits from the 3 trades I took for the first time. You can see they're already right. So now it's time for me to just go ahead and now add one more position. You can see now I have already added one more position, the 7th trade. I have already accumulated the profits enough so that now is the room for me to add like one more trade, last trade for me to now read them. I can see now the market have moved all the way. So now what I'm doing, I'm just relaxing. I'm just now trying to manage my account to see where the market is heading. Boom, the market is now at $500. From how many? $6. Now I'm at $500 from $6. You can see, right? You can see how the market have moved, and still, like, the market is still even pushing. You can see, right? This is how. Now, boom, how much? Now at 533. So the market is still pushing. So let's see. Who is texting me? Let's see how it goes. How much? Boom, $600. You can see, right? See how the market is pushing. See how the market is moving to the upside. It's still even pushing. I can even decide how much. Boom. See how I just grown an account from just $6. How many? My real account. You can see, right? This is my real account. Deriv broker. $6. Now it have moved. It's now nearly 670 something. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go from how many? From $6. And I wanted it to reach that level. This is the level I wanted it to reach. That's the level of my take profit. So let me see how I can let me see. The market is still pushing. The market is still pushing. So let's go ahead and see. It have now reversed. Now it's at 600 something. To mean now from here, what I'm doing right now is just let me not be greedy. Let me not be greedy and just let me withdraw. Boom. Let me close my trades and withdraw $600 and go ahead with the process of withdrawing. That's my account balance, and this is 600 already on my account. It have already it's on my account. This is the website whereby I just can withdraw. I'm waiting for my email. Just need to request. You need to request for the email, and then you wait for them to send you the verification email. So this is my verification withdrawal email sent by Deriv. This is my email. Then I have to confirm it. Then what I have to do from here is just to go and copy and fill in my address, the USDT address I want to To withdraw, just fill in the USDT address and the amount you want to withdraw. And then this is $600. Because of the limits, I had to just withdraw it into parts. You can see I withdraw 200, 100, and here's the account balance. Then this is the systems I use to pass my challenges, everything. So make sure you subscribe, or if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you visit my Telegram channel so that you can learn more about my what?